What's up, besties? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's what? No shade. So shout out to AliBonnie for sending me this bust down pre-colored wig. The lace was transparent, and I will have all the hair deets in the description below. This wig was everything. Like, people kept asking me, did you dye this hair? Did you dye this hair? Y'all know I didn't dye this hair. I hate dyeing hair. No shade. This wig came this color. Very easy. Just throw it on. No shade. Period. So now I'm just shaping this wig, sizing it to her head, making sure everything, sits where I want it to sit. I'm cutting those tabs off. Some of y'all be leaving the ears on the frontals going all the way down to y'all cheekbone. Like, no, cut the sides off, baby, so your wig can lay flat, period. This install was a completely glueless install using my 𝐒𝐿 spray. I will put the information for this spray in my description as well. This spray is the truth. If you don't want to use glue, or say you need a break from glue and you just need to slap a wig on, or your hairstyle is canceled, you got to put one of your old wigs on, this is the spray you want to purchase. And I'm not just hyping them up. They didn't even ask me for a YouTube video, but I knew that this is a product that would be easy for girls to use. You know, when the stylists cancel on them, all you have to do is put your wig where you want it to lay, spray, and blow dry. Literally, that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. And it's kind of easier if the lace is already cut off, because of course you can end up spraying too much. Then you gotta, remove some of that extra lace. Then there's like a little white line. Then you gotta go back in and spray again to remelt it. So I feel like when you do it like this, it is a longer process. But y'all, this 𝐒𝐿 spray is the truth. I'm not just telling y'all nothing. Like, anything I promote is because I use it, and I will want y'all to use it. Check out that 𝐒𝐿 spray. No shade. So now that I finished melting that lace, I'm going in with my eyebrow razors and I'm cutting that lace off. I already told y'all, go in a jagged motion. We like jagged edge. We do not want it to look like a fade, boys to men style. Never do straight across cuts when you're cutting that lace, because it does not help it camouflage into the skin at all. No shade. Now, y'all know I love my mousse. Y'all know I gotta get it in with the mousse, because I don't like my frontals to have that lift and to go back. I want it to be flat and look like realistic hairstyles. These frontals, they like to have that lift. If you look at the right side, it's a natural lift. And some hairstylists, they leave it like that, and it's not realistic. I'm not gonna tell you what that look like. But what I will tell you is to stop doing it. You see, I'm combing it downward, flat. I'm hot combing flat. Keep it flat. Keep it flat. Because if it ain't, then it's whack. No shade. Now holla at that. Yes, bars. As you can see, I did not put too much effort into this ponytail. I wanted it to be a quick style, something easy for you girls to do. So I pulled out 2 front pieces and I used my goat spray and I combed that hair upward, and I called it a day, and I wrapped that ponytail. I did it twice because I always end up doing a crooked ponytail the first time, and then once I see where it's not supposed to be, then I redo it, and then it be where it need to be. So I didn't do baby hairs with this look. I didn't do glue. I did everything glueless. In the same spray I used to lay the lace, I used it to mold the hair. So this is a multi-dimensional use. I don't know if I said that word right, but you can use this spray for multiple things within your install. That's kind of why I really like this spray. No shade. It's very fast acting. Now, I didn't want to leave my 2 front pieces long. I wanted them to be like layered and kind of like front bangs. So I did start at the jawline and I just cut in a downward motion. It just gives more life to me, no shade. And that's pretty much it. This was a really simple hairstyle. If you didn't want to go for the straight look, but you like the bangs and the ponytail, then you also could have threw in some curls. You could have threw in some crips and made it your own. There's multiple ways to style this, but we went for the straight look because I knew that I wanted to challenge myself to just see if less was more. And it kind of was, because this hairstyle came out so cute. No shade. Shout out to AliBonnie for sending this perfect wig. Gabby loves wigs, these colors, so y'all knew what y'all was doing sending this one. I will have all the hair deets for this wig in the description below. Shout out to my subscribers, my SBM gang. We almost at 5K. And to me, 5K is basically 10K. Because it's hard to get 5K on YouTube. So shout out to you guys for continuously supporting me, subscribing, liking my videos, commenting, sharing. I appreciate everything.